It's company.
Krishna was born, the prison doors miraculously opened, and Vasudeva carried them across Yamuna river to Gokul, where he was safely who tried to harm him.
As he grew older, Krishna lifted the Govardhan hill on his little finger to protect the villagers of Gokul from Indra's storm. Later, he defeated Kamsa and restored the peace to Madura. Krishna became the guide and the charioteer of Arjuna on the Mahabharata war. On the battlefield of Kurukshetra, he gave the eternal message of Bhagavad Gita, teaching about the duty, righteousness and devotion. Thus, in the Krishna Avatara, Lord Vishnu spreads the message of love, devotion and the triumph of Dharma over Adharma.
कृष्ण नमो हरिभक्तन